If you've ever taken a bunch of Steam screenshots and then couldn't figure out where they saved, you're definitely not alone. Steam does make it a little confusing because the screenshots are stored inside folders with long ID numbers, so at first glance it can feel like they've disappeared. But the good news is, there are a few easy ways to find them on your PC, and I'm going to walk you through the fastest method first, then the manual folder path, and finally how to change where your screenshots are saved in the future. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple PC tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. The fastest way to find Steam screenshots is using Steam's built-in Show on Disk option. Open Steam on your computer and in the top left corner, click View. From that menu, look for recordings and screenshots, or in some versions, just screenshots. Once the screenshot manager opens, use the drop-down on the left side to select the game you want. Steam organizes screenshots by a game, so this step is important if you've captured images from more than one title. After you pick the game, you'll see the screenshots associated with it. Now click the folder icon, or if you prefer, right-click one of the images and choose Show on Disk. As soon as you do that, Windows will open the exact folder where those screenshots are stored. This is the easiest and most reliable method because you don't have to guess any folder names or search through hidden directories. If Steam is closed, not responding, or you just want to access the folder manually, you can also find your screenshots through File Explorer. On Windows, the default path usually starts in your Steam installation folder, then goes into user data, then your Steam ID, then 760, then remote, then the game's AppID, and finally, the screenshots folder. A typical path looks like this: C:\program files x86 /steam /user data /your Steam ID /760 /remote /appid /screenshots. If you're the only person using the PC, the Steam ID folder will usually be the only number folder there, and it will look like a long string of digits. The folder named 760 is Steam's internal folder for screenshot management, and the AppID is the number assigned to each game. For example, different games will have different app IDs, so if you're looking for screenshots from a specific game, you may need to identify that number first. Once you open the screenshots folder, you should see your image files ready to copy, move, or backup anywhere you want. This manual method is especially useful if you want to bookmark the location, transfer the screenshots to another drive, or check the files even when Steam isn't open. Now, if you want to make things easier for the future, you may also want to understand where Steam saves screenshots and how to keep better track of them. If you move your Steam library or install games on another drive, the screenshots can still remain inside the Steam user data folder, so it's a good idea to know the exact path rather than assuming they'll be in your pictures folder or desktop. A good tip is to use the Show on Disk option once, then copy that folder path into a note so you can get back there quickly later. And if you use Steam screenshots often, you may want to keep them organized by game so you can find specific images faster when editing, sharing, or posting online. So to recap, the easiest way to find your Steam screenshots is through Steam's Screenshot Manager using Show on Disk, and the manual backup method is to browse to the user data folder path on your PC. Once you know those two methods, Steam screenshots become much easier to manage. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.